Now I would like to focus on different aspect, that where can student are participating and taking the importance role in higher education. More studies focus on the decision making and student participation, but the various research indicate that there is student participation in various bodies within the universities. We know that students usually participate in the university boards such as Senate, university departmental committees, sport committee, entertainment committee, disciplinary committees and different committees. So, here these are the different nature of student participation in higher education governance. However, the nature, outcome and the factors of their motivation are various depending the context and nature of the studies. The various researchers are showing that student participation is influencing in the departmental committees of various universities. Oberio from the Kehenta University in 2012 are saying that the research and the departmental committees with the help of student participation making good decision. In 2007 and 2004, Olsen and Bergen are focusing the student participation in the departmental committees is also equal for the making good governance in higher education. Students are supposed to be equal partner and expected to play an important role in the university decision making. All the researchers are showing that student participation is morely important in the different decision making and democratic governance. If we see the example of department at university level, we see that we have to participate our student in the different activities. In the departmental level, we can formulate different kind of the committees with the help of students. And in the departmental committees of the universities and institutions, students wise are mainly concerned with the student academic activities. They should be focused on the class attendance, they should be focused on the classroom management, they should be focused on the student, they should be focused on the infrastructure of the classroom, examination point of view, different kind of the activities, different kind of the support at the institutional level. This student participation also focusing on the internet connection, ICT facility, use of the library and various issues regarding the teaching learning program. If students are taking more serious participation in the academic activities, we can say the departmental committees with the student participation are highly useful for the governance. Dear friends, here I would like to take the example of the Department of Education and Extension from Savitribai Phule Pune University. We have a good participation of the students in the governance of department. All the departmental committees are making smoothly work with the help of students supports. Here I mention the example of Department of Education and Extension of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Now I would like to focus some another example from the world side. Kehenta University and Cape Town University are also taking the more participation in their university. The student participation in higher education level are taking the more concern in such universities. Oberio 2012 clearly mentioned the importance of student participation in university level with the above mentioned two examples. But there are some issues are also concerned in the participation of students. In the same research, he is focusing that there are some reason it should be considered as a part of discussion. The first reason is that their participation in such cases is just kind of formality. A counter argument is that democratic governance against the equal participation. The second and most important issue is that student representatives raised there are scrutinized and examined by the university authorities. Students were assumed to lack of qualification to have final say to university decision. And the another issue is that student representatives in some of the issues are not involved and even not consulted for their feedback in decision making. This is the discussion is presented by the Lucher in 2010 in his paper. So, apart from all three issues, but we can say that their participation can make good governance in higher education. the clear understanding of this paper, that we can say that these are the three reasons showing that there is the less importance of student participation in higher education. But I would like to say that we can enrich the student participation in higher education with taking more concern about students' issue.